Hi, I'm Shane Shuffield at Advanced Assembly here in Denver, Colorado, the original home of quick turn PCB assembly. As a matter of fact, over the last 10 years, we have built more unique designs than any other company in the United States. So whether you have a prototype that you're working on right now, or you have a production build that's coming up, we are here to help you. We're real people with real experience, and we would love the opportunity to help you make your next design become a reality. So please call us, email us. Let's see which one of our many services is right for you and your next build. And if you have other US-based pricing, send it to me and I'll match or beat that price for you. We really look forward to working with you on your next build. So please contact us today and let's see how we can help you. Thanks.